Welcome to a timeless blend of past and present. This 1929 apartment beautifully reimagines classic 1920s architecture for modern living, where vintage charm meets enduring craftsmanship. This house is located in the quiet and elegant neighborhood of Lower Johanneberg in Gothenburg. This house is a perfect example of how classic 1920s architecture can be beautifully adapted for modern living. Built in 1929, the apartment still carries all the charm and craftsmanship of that era, but with subtle and tasteful updates that make the space feel current and welcoming. As soon as you step inside, you notice the character in the original details. Herringbone patterned parquet floors, decorative ceiling rosettes, tall double doors, and beautiful moldings run throughout the rooms. These historic elements add a soft, refined atmosphere and make the apartment feel like it has a story to tell. The windows are deep set in niches, letting in generous natural light and offering a cozy, grounded feeling to each room. The interiors are calm and bright, dominated by whitewashed wooden floors and soft, neutral colors that are typical of Scandinavian design. This sense of light and space is amplified by the thoughtful layout. From the bedroom to the living room, an open line of sight stretches nearly 14 meters, creating a natural flow that makes the home feel larger than it is. Although the apartment stays true to its historical roots, it also includes smart, modern updates. The result is a home that feels both timeless and fresh, combining the best of traditional craftsmanship with modern Scandinavian simplicity. It's easy to imagine living here, surrounded by beauty, warmth, and a quiet kind of elegance that never goes out of style.